friends. It's Miss Katie. Today I'm going to read you a story about feelings. And feelings are words like angry and happy and scared and mad and silly is a feeling. So today we're going to learn about feelings from this book, The Color Monster. And this book is by Anna Lennes. This is the color monster. Today he woke up feeling confused, and he doesn't know why. So I see a whole bunch of colors on the color monster. I see green and blue and yellow. And his face doesn't look happy. He kind of looks like this. He's confused. "Are you all mixed up, color monster?" says the little girl. So he is really mixed up. You look at all these different colors. Your feelings don't work well when they're all mixed up. So there are a lot of different colors here, and sometimes we feel a whole bunch of ways, and sometimes lots of feelings at one time, and we have to figure those feelings out. So let's see what the color monster does. You should try to separate them and put each one in its own jar. If you'd like, I can help you. Let's try to make sense of how you feel. So this little girl is going to help the color monster figure out his feelings. And she's going to try and put each feeling in a jar. And sometimes we need help with that. Sometimes we need a mommy or a grandma or an uncle or a daddy or a brother or a sister or a teacher to help us. And that's okay to ask for help with our feelings. There they go. She's going to go help him. And I see all these cool colors trailing. Let's see what happens. This is happiness. Look at the monster's face. He's smiling. It shines yellow like the sun and twinkles like the stars. What makes you feel happy? I feel happy when I get to go on walks outside and when I get to cook yummy food. That's when I feel happy. When you're happy, you laugh and jump and dance and play. You want to share your happiness with everyone. So they're playing, maybe they're playing tag, and he's laughing. He feels happy. Yellow is for happy. What color do you see here? Blue. This is sadness. It is lonely and blue like the rainy day. It washes over you like the sea. You see, he's got a sad face now. He's not smiling anymore. When you're sad, you hide and want to be alone. You don't want to do anything. It's okay to cry, color monster. So we can see he's over here. Sometimes we need to cry when we feel sad, and that's okay. We got to get it out. Look at this guy. Red. This is anger. It burns red like fire, and it's hard to stamp out. When you're angry, life can feel unfair. So sometimes when you feel angry, you feel hot, or you feel tense, or you just really are angry at someone because something happened to you that you didn't like. And it's okay to feel angry, but it's how we deal with being angry. So we have to take a deep breath and take a minute to think about what we're going to do when we feel angry. Sometimes you want to take your anger out on others, but I'll be nice to you, color monster, and your anger will disappear. So instead of hitting or kicking someone else, it's not the right choice. We can take a deep breath and be kind, and then we'll start to feel better. What color is next? What do you see? What does his face look like? Let's see. This is fear. The color monster is afraid. It hides and runs away like a mouse in the night. I wonder what made him feel afraid. When you're afraid, you feel tiny, little. You think you don't have the courage to face the gray shadows, but I can help you find your way. So he's hiding way over here in the corner. Sometimes we need to ask a big person, a grown-up, for some help if we feel afraid, or a friend. It's okay to feel afraid too. This is my favorite one, when he feels green. This is calm, like when we take a deep breath. It is quiet, like the trees, and as light as green leaves swaying in the wind. So that's when you kind of just feel at peace, when you're calm. When you're calm, you breathe slowly and deeply. You feel at peace. So you might even be taking a nap. Naps are really cool too. Now you can rest, Color Monster. All your feelings are in the right place. See? Don't you feel better? So here's him when he was angry and sad and calm and happy and scared. And he probably talked to someone. He talked to the little girl about these feelings, which he was able to get them out. And it's good to get our feelings out and to talk to someone. So that way we can separate them and deal with them. Uh-oh, I see you're feeling something new. I see a new color. You look different, Color Monster. Tell me, how do you feel now? What do you think he feels? I see hearts and pink. Maybe he's feeling like he's love and he's happy. So that is the Color Monster book. And I want you to know that sometimes you might feel like the Color Monster, where you might feel afraid or scared. You might feel sad. You might miss your friends or your teachers, and that is okay. But the best thing to do is to talk to someone you love. You can talk to a grandma or a mom or your brother or sister and figure out those feelings. So I have a little challenge for you, a cool activity to do. So first, I want you to draw a picture of yourself. You can do it with chalk. You can do it with crayons. You can do it with paper and a pencil. You can ask someone to help you. So this is one I did. That's me. And on this picture, I feel happy. I have a big smile. And you can see my glasses. So first, draw a picture of yourself. It doesn't have to look like this. It can be however you want to draw it. Maybe you could do this with a sibling or someone in your house. And then you could do it together. And then what I want you to do is I want you to make your own colors like the Color Monster. So if we remember, here's a picture of the Color Monster when he was all mixed up. So I want you to draw what feelings you have in your body right now. So this is when I colored mine. It might be a little hard to see, but I have lots of yellow. So I'm feeling pretty happy that I got to read this book to you today. But I'm also, here's some blue, feeling a little bit sad that I didn't get to go to school. I didn't get to see my friends at school either. And some red. You know what? I'm feeling kind of angry because, feeling a little angry because I didn't get to pick what we had for breakfast. Someone else in my family picked, and that's okay too. But here's lots of pink. I feel loved because I get to spend time with my family. And I know I have friends that love and care about me. So see, these are all the feelings in my body right now. So I got them out and I drew this cool picture. And now I'm going to go talk to somebody about it. So I want you to try that too. So remember the colors of the Color Monster. Red is mad. Yellow's happy. Blue is sad. Green is calm. Black is afraid. Pink is feeling loved. I think that's all of them. So I challenge you to do this, and I hope you have a wonderful day. And remember, if you're having a tough time or you're feeling a little scared or you're feeling angry, to take a deep breath like this.